But what a variety we have had here this afternoon. Good to see you all here, because we're about to get big here. Kudos to the arena. Down to the semi-finals now. Now the winner of these two races will place each other in the final. There are all the ladies. Give it up know, some might not. You've spent a bit of time in racing cars over the years, you've been successful, and in monster trucks, but about 12 months ago, you got hooked up. Well, I think the best monster truck in the world, and you in racing, thus far in Australia, have gone undefeated. Give it up for Jack Monkhouse.
Yeah, buddy, really great to be out here. But yeah, it's awesome to be back. This wacky truck, she's unreal. Just got so much power. The suspension is the best ever. And yeah, it's just a pleasure to drive it. And thanks to all the Monster Events guys for providing such a great truck. Thanks to all the fans, all the kids, the mums and dads. Thanks for coming out to our show. And let's bring on the next one. Thanks, guys.
True gentlemen. Now, Jack, mate, you've had some trophies in your time. Whereabouts are you going to put that on? You're going to have to build another room for these trophies.
It's unreal. It's my favourite colour, blue as well, you know, so I'd love to be able to keep it, but I reckon the loudest monster truck fan who loves Wacky Doo gets to take the trophy home.
Jack's got a good eye and a good ear. I wonder who wants this trophy. You've got to impress him. He's been impressing you all night.